Hey guys, Ninja here. Got Leo. Leo's got a little bit of a sore shoulder. It's been annoying him for a little while.
Yeah, I haven't really been putting much thought into fixing it too much. A lot of my training is a bit more lower body, legs back, that sort of thing. So yeah, just feels like a bit of tendonitis, maybe like a bicep tendon thing. Shooting the basketball a little bit more now kind of flares it up, and there's just a lot of irritation there. I've had a bit of treatment there, but I'm not sure if it's front of the shoulder, which is where it feels like it is.
Yep.
But it could be like a rotator cuff thing as well, or something else in the chain that's that needs to be maybe found and
so we can
might alleviate it, So see what you can find in there.
Yeah,
But maybe
cool.
start.
Yeah. So when you move, you feel.
It's usually when I'm up here.
Yeah. Where do you feel?
Feel it. Like just kind of deep. Maybe in here, like deep in there, like under that AC.
Yep. So I'm just gonna
Yep.
just hold. Not too much pressure for a start. Just hold that.
I'll try and let go here as well, sort of thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, it feels pretty good so far. Like there feels like there's something that's making sense where you are.
Yeah. I'll just sort of move just a little bit, just to try and get a bit of reference, bit of pinpointing into that one. Yeah, just a little angle change, help me connect and engage with the spot a bit more. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Like that. I'm just going to hold that. So I'm probably 50% kind of pressure.
It feels like a good pressure, man. Like, I feel like I want more of it there.
A bit more now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's kind of the art, isn't it, man? Like you're kind of knowing when to accelerate, when to kind of back off.
Back off, yeah.
So yeah, and when to try and change an angle, when to kind of do whatever. And but it's like playing an instrument a bit, I reckon. Like you start to just tune into it.
Yeah, get a feel of it.
Get a feel, and you start to get confidence. And
so yeah, I think if you just at your pace, keep working around that line.
This way, towards you.
Yeah.
That way.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to try and work through. I'm going to get to another, spot.
Yeah, it's all making sense in there, like.
Into there. I'm just going to push in.
Yeah.
So I'm driving in fairly heavy now, like probably 70-80%. Into new territory as well. I'm just going to try and go towards your midline a little bit more. Trying to support Leo, his arm and his back of his shoulder with my leg. Just be as comfortable as possible while we're trying to get into the uncomfortable bit. So yeah, shit man. Kicked me out a little. I went a bit too. So yeah, we've kind of located a real key. So I'm going to get on top of that now. So I can really locate the key, like what I feel like the key so far is. Then we need to.
On the threshold, man.
Yeah, not going to go any. Yeah. I reckon that slipped, and I can feel the real key kind of band of muscle there. It's stuck. Staying there.
It's tender.
Yeah. So yeah, it's camping on there. It feels like it's getting a bit more comfortable.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit, not much.
Need a bit more time, man. Like,
Yeah. We'll give it.
in there, man.
Give it what it needs. Give it as much time as it needs, man. Still hanging on. Still believes it's got to be in protection mode, spasm. We try and encourage it to melt in here and. Yeah, so I'm just maintaining pressure on the one spot. Even when you're moving your head then, I can feel little changes in this little spot here. How's that feel now, man?
It's like, it's still fucking intense. Like, it feels like it's, not that you need to go there, but it feels like it's on this side of your thumb.
So I can angle a little.
Yeah, not too much angle.
Just stay.
Yeah, it is good.
there.
But yeah, I'm getting this. Fuck, that's. It's like,
Radiating pain.
yeah, just this awareness down the arm, even into like my hands, top of that index finger.
Yeah.
Now it feels like you backed off it a bit.
Yeah.
Unless
I think it's, yeah.
I feel like maybe you flicked over it.
Yeah, no, it sort of just started to relax, I
Maybe
think.
just relaxed.
Yeah, I haven't shifted.
Cool.
Like your body changed.
Cool.
Like it was get out, pushing me away, and then I just said, gave in a bit. And I just felt this instant kind of relax thing in your shoulder. So the pain's not as much now?
Yeah, it's not as much.
Yeah. It's kind of backed right off
Yeah, it's backed off considerably.
Yeah. I'm just going to stay on here a little bit longer. But yeah, that feels like I'm pushing in real deep now without the block in the road of going deep. Just push it that way a little. It's all right.
Yeah,
so
that's not too bad.
I might even just come out just so I can see what's happened. So if you move again.
Yeah, we got a bit more
range, less pain.
Yeah, less pain.
Good.
Less pain at the top.
And so what's your body saying now?
The body is saying there's a bit of that. I feel like that referral kind of thing now. There's this interesting awareness that at the top, it's not as like grabby or sharp or like irritating anymore. But there's a bit of that referral. But there's this all feels like, I guess, tight in here. Like it feels like it's catching, I feel like if I had some more range in those tissues, I'd be able to get a bit more overhead.
It's a bit of a lat kind of,
a lat.
Like a broad lat kind
broad
of.
Lat.
Might be good.
Try broad lat, I reckon.
Yeah. Maybe head down that way and face out the window, and I'll just
sideways.
Go sideways, sideways, so I can kind of give you a pillow if you need, man.
Yeah.
So we can open up these. I might even try the first one without any wax or anything like that. Just see if it'll move. Otherwise, I'll have to get some bit of wax that we got here. So that feels good, like just good connection. So I might need a stroke that goes straight down through the side, and then we might do another one slightly rear to this. Feel all right?
Yeah, it feels good. It was just a bit grabby on the skin to start, but I think it's all right now.
Yeah, just want to go super slow, that's all, so we can kind of melt that fascia. When you look at the lat, it's a big bit of fascia, big thick bit of fascia, and it ends up hooking under the arm. So, big powerful muscle, this one as well. So.
Ribs feel like they're copping it a bit now as well.
Yeah. Is it okay, Wayne?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Just a bit of extra tenderness I got to deal with. There's a lot there.
Just going to hold that for a tick. So on my pressure is probably 30-40%.
Yeah.
So I'm not trying to cook you, but just more stretch. Get these tissues to unravel, calm. Yeah. That's it, man. So it's more ribs, isn't it?
Yeah, ribs.
Yeah, I'm just trying to stretch over them. Good fresh blood streaming into this area. Do you reckon another one?
Yeah, another line. Maybe try a different line.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the forearm this time.
That's heaps.
I'm in the back of the
Heaps.
shoulder there, blade a bit. Gonna hit over. Yeah, once I get through all these tendons and stuff in the back of here, you'll feel better. I'll get into more of that.
Trying.
There you go. That's it. Is it alright?
Yeah, it's so intense.
Mm.
Trying to let go, but just can't. My nervous system's just like, nah, fucking, it's painful.
Yeah, you're doing a good job, man. Through that hard a bit? Not quite yet.
It's just a new bit of challenge here, man. Like, it's the journey. It's like, fuck, that was something before, and then now it's backing off a bit more.
Yep. Now I should be stretching that actual lat. So yeah, I think all the muscles through that shoulder blade on the back were fusing together a bit. So
yeah,
just some good stretch, good.
That and just like there seems to be just heaps of on the rib. Like the ribs for me seem to be like every time you fucking go over one.
Yeah, it's sensitive, eh? So good, so good. We're nearly through, bro. So we'll see what the body says when we test again.
Yeah, that's got to have done something, man. Like, far out.
Went through that. I'm just going down right in the lower back because all that fascia originates down here. Big, thick fascial sheet, rubber type sheet. It's not actually rubber coming out. All right, see how that feels, man.
Oh, all right. Yeah, way less grabby, man, at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, if anything, like hardly any awareness here anymore, which is good.
Yeah. How's the shoulder bit?
Yeah, there's still like a tiny bit in there. There's like a faint. Just trying to make sense of where it is. It's so tricky sometimes. It feels deep. Again, it's kind of back to that bicep tendon, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Start there again.
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
All good. Find
trying to get into it,
Yeah, I'm just trying to receive it, man.
Yeah. There you go.
Come on.
Mental strength, isn't it?
Test you, man.
Test
it really
you,
does.
Yeah.
Your body's just like, get off, but it's just like, you know that there's something in there as well that there's knowing that we're on the right spot, you know, that we're, that's me just, you know, so it's like that duality of like, you want it, but it's just like, get off at the same time, you know?
Yeah, like, see if that's changed it and maybe move it again, give you a little break.
Yeah, that did a bit.
Yeah.
I mean, that's heaps of range now, man, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I'm fucking trying to really reach for it now and find it, but yeah, that's done heaps. A little bit of clicking now, that is, but it's not painful.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's heaps.
Yeah.
That's done a lot for my shoulder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then just moving it around, just sort of don't let it kind of set back, you know, and it can be just the simplest little things. It doesn't have to be necessarily band work or anything like that for a start after a treatment. Just keep the ball rolling type of thing. Just sort of roll the shoulders over and kind of get the body and mind to communicate and about what's happened. That fascial holds aren't there anymore. So the scar tissues, whatever it was, we've kind of released off.
Yeah, I think it's important, especially like that whole complex, because you've got the shoulder blade involved as well, and that's what we're kind of working through here. So really just getting that to, you know, move around my rib cage.
Yeah, just sort of realise what's going on. And treatments happen, and like say the body kind of the mind can go, okay, there's been change in here, there's freedom, I don't have to protect and switch on that.
Yeah, let me feel into my new range, new tissues.
Yeah, that's it. So let that heal, So yeah, I kind of really encourage people, you know, get in hot baths and things like that to help keep the flow, you know, and compression depending on where it is. Yeah, just there's all these different things you can do to help yourself out, and like yeah, just trust yourself, like, and yeah, like Leo's doing now, just pushing into your own body. You know, once somebody's got the ball rolling for you, and then you can kind of explore and then go, okay, there's a spot here. I know when I move, that nags me. Push it, hold it. Yeah. Be your own practitioner, you know, and then test it again. Yeah, like he's doing. So you'll figure it out.
I will. Yeah, it's definitely pointing me a bit more towards like bicep tendon.
Yeah.
Or whatever that feels like down there. Maybe it's a bit of like anterior deltoid as well.
Yep.
But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. It's pretty pain free.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thanks, bro.
Thanks for supporting our channel. Like, subscribe, share videos with your friends that need some help, and look at the links below. There might be a course or a calendar in there perhaps that you could buy. Even if you've missed out on the competition, still buy the calendar. Yeah, January 1st we're drawing a trip to Australia, 7 days. We fly you out, accommodation, and you know, host you, and give you treatments and take you around a bit. Or you can, if you're in Melbourne, $10,000 worth of credit at MMT, so to use it throughout 2024. So anyway, thank you for your support. Done.